Good morning and welcome to Trade of the Week on Monday, the 13th of February. Today we would like to go short Brent crude oil at current levels around $85.15 on this daily financial bet. And the reason being that we've been trading sideways between $89 roughly and $75 since mid-November. And as you can see here on this daily financial bet chart, we've been capped every time we try to move higher by this key resistance area between $87.99 and $89.35, made up of the mid-October low and the late December highs and January high. So we expect this resistance area to continue to cap, and this is why we want to go short now on this slightly weaker Brent crude oil price today, with a downside target at around $76, because we've got an uptrend line going back to December coming in around that area. So today's trade of the week is to go short Brent crude oil at around $85.20, with a stop loss at $89.50 and a downside target at $76.
For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.